Here's a quick fix for you. I'm sure we all have, well, a lot of us have these garden tubs, and sooner or later the handles snap and then it becomes not useless but less useful. Be good if it had handles, wouldn't it? Let's put some on. Right, you'll need some blue polypropylene rope like this. Cut a length so you get a decent handle and an overlap like that. Okay, so sort of length, and we'll need two of those, obviously, two handles. Nice fingers, sharp knife. Okay, so that's one. Right, now the next bit you don't have to do, but I do because it's a good idea. Is to stop the ends fraying. Just melt the end of the rope together. Ideally not done on a windy day. Right, let that cool off. Okay, so now what we do is with a 12mm diameter spade bit or any drill, drill a couple of holes underneath where the handles were. Okay, and then a little bit of rope, feed it through from the inside both ways like that. Get a reasonable handle on the inside, so that'll give you an overlap, and then you splice it. And splicing a rope there's many ways of doing it, but this is the simplest way that I can find. This blue rope is inherently twisty, so you untwist it to get a hole, feed your other end through to the distance you need plus a bit, something like that, and then after about an inch or so do the same again, feed that through, which I'll hold a bit more, yeah. After about an inch or so, 2-3 centimetres, unwind the rope to make a hole, pull your loose end through, and then again until it's all used up. The last one's always the hardest. There we go. Alright, that goes through. I just need to tidy it up a little bit. Then that will go through that one. It can be a bit, if you've got somebody to help you to untwist and hold it while you feed the loose end through, so much the better. I haven't. Right, there we go. I'll pull that tight, and there we are. Prepared. Well, fixed enough. And that's now usable. Anyway, thank you for watching.